Hey, John Morris here, johnmorrisonline.com, so I'll make this real quick. Hopefully you've enjoyed the login script tutorial up to this point. If you want to finish it off, then you can get access to the rest of the lessons in the full course. That's where we're going to get into finishing off how to verify sessions and logins with the new user registration system. Also do the password me feature, or the password reset feature and the remember me feature. Both of those use cryptographically secure tokens, so we'll show you how to do that properly and some of the new stuff in PHP 7 that you want to use, again, to do that properly. Plus, you're going to get access to the full source code, and if you use the coupon code YouTube at checkout, you'll get an additional 20% off the course. So if that's something you're interested in, you want to finish this off and finish building it out, you can head on over to johnmorrisonline.com/loginscript. That'll take you to the store page where you can enroll in the full course. And again, use the coupon code YouTube at checkout for 20% off the course. So that'll do it for this video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for taking the tutorial up to this point, and hopefully we'll see you over there in the full course.